Okay. Uh, Today we will discuss about moment of random variable. And in the previous class, we have discussed some probability distribution like as binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, and also we solved some problems related with binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. And the first two classes, suppose we discuss about expectation of random variable and expectation, because today we are going to discuss about moment. Moment is related with expectation. Although expectation is discussed in some previous class, now I repeat it because it is related with moment. It is related with today's topic. Today's topic is one moment of random variable. Okay, and expectation is what if we consider x is a suppose random variable. Suppose first in your class we discuss about uh, we consider x as a what discrete random variable. We don't go in the continuous random variable part. First, we discuss about what the discrete random variable. Discrete random variable means what? Here x is some countable number, finite number. Okay. Suppose x takes the value x1, x2, x3, x4, which numbers are what? Finite, some real numbers. Okay. And expectation for the discrete random variable is what? Definition is actually what? Summation of x into p of x equals to x. Okay, this is the definition, actual definition of expectation for discrete random variable. And what uh, we can say that expectation is what? Expectation is the average of numbers of random variable. Or so expectation is sometimes is called in some books it is write as expectation is what? Expectation is the mean of the random variable. Actually it is the average of numbers of random variable. So we can say that the expectation is what? Expectation is the mean of the random variable. Okay. And let me discuss about moment of random variable, and after that we discuss some topics like as variance, standard deviation, and so on. And variance is what? Variance is also related with expectation, because in the definition we write as variance is what? Variance is the square of the expected value of x minus mu, where mu is what? Mu is the mean of the random variable. Okay, these topics are actually discussed in your previous class. Previous means the first the two, second or third class also. I think we discuss about expectation and variance. Today I repeat this because these are related with moment. Okay, and yes, I see that we what we know about expectation, variance, and standard deviation also. Standard deviation is what? It is nothing but it is the what? Square root of positive square root. Just remember the line: positive square root of variance. And let me define moment. The moment of a random variable are the expected value of what? Expected value of the random variable. Moment of the random variable are the expected value of the random variable. Suppose these are here. Actually, there are two types of moments. Moments are distributed in two types. Divided into two types. There are two types of moments. First one is what? First one is moment, and other one is central moment. This art moment. Art moment is what? In expectation. Expectation is what? This is the mean. In there we use summation of x into p of x equals to x. But to define variance, we use this term also, expectation of x squared. Expectation of x squared. This one is what? Summation of x squared into p of x equals to x. Here see that art moment. The art moment of x, random variable x, is what? Mu r dash. Remember this one, moment is generally denoted by this symbol with letter mu r dash. Mu r dash is what? Only moment, art moment. Suppose if r equals to suppose 1, this is, if r equals to 1, then we say that this is the first moment. Suppose if r equals to 2, then we say that this is the second moment of random variable x. And so on, if suppose r equals to 3, then we say that third moment. Okay, here we define moment into art moment. Therefore, here subscript is what? R, mu r dash. And if this dash for dash, we use dash for defining only moment. Okay, art moment of x is what? Mu r dash. And r means what? R from r takes the value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, but in remember this one, in case of moment, in case of expectation, the definition is what? This one, expectation of x. Expectation of x means what? Here, if we put r equals to 1, if we put r equals to 1, then what we get? We get the expectation, because x superscript 1, that means what? This one is same, expectation of x. Expectation of x means what? This is the mean of the random variable. So we can say that the first moment, if r equals to suppose 1, also it is that if r equals to 1, then this is what? First moment. So we say that first moment is what? First moment is nothing else, it is the expectation of x, or we can say that it is the mean of x. Okay, the first moment of x is what? Is the mean of x. Or in other words, you can say that the first moment of x is what? Expectation of x, expected value of x. It is the average of x. Okay, similarly, see that, and we also know that expectation of x is what? Summation of x into px. If we use x power r, then it will be what? X to the power r. Okay, I told this one in the previous class. If we use a power here, x suppose square, to define variance, we use variance of x is what? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Okay, expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. If we suppose write r equals to 2, then what we get? Expectation of x square, and expectation of x square is what? It is the second moment. Okay, therefore to define variance, we use the second moment of x. Okay, similarly, we define third moment also, fourth moment also. Then if we put suppose r equals to 1, 2, 3, if we put suppose r equals to 3, then what we get? We get the third moment. And if we put r equals to suppose 5, then we get the fifth moment of x, where x is what? X is nothing else, it is the random variable. But here it is not uh, it is not mentioned properly. Here we use x as a discrete random variable. Okay, remember this one. And because we discuss about discrete random variable, and we also know that for the discrete case, expectation of x is defined like this one: summation of x into p of x equals to x. And this is the definition of art moment of x. Okay, don't confuse, because in case if we want to define moment, then you use the dash as in the superscript of mu. But if we want to define central moment, then it is only what? Mu r. Mu r is what? Mu r is the central moment. There are two types of moments. One is only moment, art moment, or you can say it only moment. Another one is what? Central moment. Okay, moment is what? Moment is a random variable, are the expected value of the random variable. Okay. These are related with what? Related with expectation. Okay. And similarly, central
Yes, ma'am.
function of x is what? Mu r equals to expectation of x minus mu x whole power r. Mu x is what? Mean of x. Mu x is nothing else. This is the mean of x. This one is expectation of x minus mu whole power r. But suppose uh, remember that one. Suppose uh, in case of suppose variance, it was like a suppose the p of x, variance of x is what? Expected value of x minus mu whole square. X minus mu, uh, expectation of x minus mu whole square is what? It is the variance of x. And suppose if we put here r equals to 2, then what we get? This is the variance. Central moment is the same as the variance of x. Central, if we put r equals to 2, then central moment of x is same as the variance of x. Okay. You see that in particular the second central moment is the variance. Okay, so here see that if we put r equals to 2, then what we get? This is the variance. The variance of is the definition of variance. But in problem in order to solve problem, we use the definition of variance like as expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. This is a simplification of the original definition of variance. These topics are already discussed, but here today I just repeat. Okay, don't confuse the term moment and central moment. Okay, if we want to define moment, we use dash symbol, and if we just write mu r, this is the central. Okay, and let me discuss about the relation between art moment and art central moment of random variable. Okay, art moment and central moment. And mu1 is what? First central moment. And I have already told them R takes the value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, maybe any finite number. Okay, if we write R equals to 1, then this gives the first moment. Okay, and remember that this one mu1 is what? In order to get mu1, we have to put r equals to what? R equals to 1. Okay, hello, 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 hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Hello.
ma'am.
Okay, let me discuss art moment and central moment. Art moment and art central moment. And see that to get the value of mu1. Mu1 is what? Mu1 is what? Mu1 is the first central moment. The central moment is defined as this one. Mu r equals to expectation of x minus mu whole power r. If we put r equals to 1, what we get? This is the first central moment. Okay? See the
Okay,
definition.
ma'am.
See the definition. This one. Mu r equals to expectation of x minus mu whole power r. Suppose we want to get the first moment. Then what we get? We just put the value of r. R equals to 1. If r equals if we put r equals to 1, then we get first the central moment. Okay. Then see that mu1 is the expectation of x minus mu whole power 1. And mu is what? Mu is I say that mu is the mean, and expectation of x is also what? Expectation of x is also mean. Therefore, the value will be 0. Therefore, from this one, we conclude that first moment and central moment both are same. Okay, conclusion is that for this one, first moment, remember that first moment and first central moment of a random variable is same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just remember this one. And you may also write that the first moment and first central moment of a random variable is same. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And let me define mu2. And don't confuse mu r and mu r dash. Mu r dash is what is the only earth moment, and mu r is what is the central moment, earth central moment. And mu2 is what according to the definition, what we get expectation of x minus mu whole square. Okay, if we put suppose here r equals to 2, then what we get is the second central moment. Okay, if we put r equals to 2, then what we get is the second central moment. And this one is what? This one is after simplification, we find that this one is mu2 minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 minus mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash is what? Mu2 dash is the second earth moment. Second earth moment, and mu1 dash square. Mu1 dash square is one. Mu1 dash is the first earth moment. Okay. Here, these are some relations between moment and art moment. And similarly, we can find mu3. Mu3 is what? Mu3 is the third central moment. Third central moment. Third central moment is what? This is the definition, expectation of x minus mu whole power 3. And just break this one. This is like as suppose a minus b whole cube. After breaking this one, what we get? Mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus mu1 dash mu2 dash plus mu1 dash power 3. And mu3 dash is what? This is the third moment. Third moment, only third moment. And mu3 is what? Third central moment. Mu3 dash third moment, and mu1 dash is what? First moment. Mu2 dash is what? Second moment. And mu1 dash is what? Third. And similarly, we can find mu4. Mu4 is what? Mu4 is the fourth central moment. Okay. Let us take an example. See that. Let x be a discrete random variable. Also, remember this thing that I define moment only for the discrete random variable. Okay, not for continuous random variable. Here, x is a discrete random variable having probability mass function. This one like that. If x equals to 1, then probability is what? Half. If x equals to 2, probability is 1/3. If x equals to 3, it is 1/6, and 0 otherwise. Suppose the x equals to suppose 4, then the probability will be what? 0. If suppose x equals to 6, then value is what? 0. Okay? And see that we are asking to find the third moment of x. Third moment means what? Third moment means what? Expectation of x cube. Expectation of x cube. And expectation of x cube is what? Summation of x cube into your x. Remember that this is very important. Also remember this one. This is very important. If we use power in x, if we suppose power, if we use power in x, then what? Power will become only on x, not in p. Okay, remember this thing. X cube. If we write suppose x power 4, then power will become only on x, not in px, because px is what? Px is the probability. Therefore, we cannot use the power in p. Px is what? Px is the probability. This is what? This is the variable. We can use the power in variable. Okay. And this one is what? Expectation of x square into px. Expectation of x square into px, that means half. Give x from 1 to 3 and 1 to 3, and we cannot consider the value as bigger as 3, because if we suppose take the value x equals to 4, then it will be automatically 0. Therefore, we stop at 3. Okay. Px is what? 1 into half into 1 cube. Because here for x equals to 1, this one will be half. Probability is half. Okay. It's a very simple example, easy example. Just just here we take an easy example to elaborate the concept of moment. Remember these things also. This is very important, because there are some derivation after derives some portions, we conclude that mu1 dash. Mu1 dash is what? First moment, and only mu1 is what? First central moment. For the binomial case, these are 4 moments of the binomial distribution. About mean. Okay, about mean means what? We define, suppose the mu, we define a central moment. This one is what? Expectation of x minus mu x. Okay, the central moment of x. Central moment of x is r. Central moment of x is what? Expectation of x minus mu whole power r. Here mu is what? Mu is the mean. Suppose we can consider mu like as median also. This is also another measurement to another measurement of random variable. Therefore, we can use the median also. But here in your course, we discuss only about for mean. That means what? Mu is mean. We consider mu as a mean. If we consider mu as a mean, then the for binomial case, the first 4 moments is look like as this one. Okay. In your books, in any books of probability, you get the derivation of this one. Here just here I highlight the value. Okay. Here mu1 dash. Mu1 dash is what? Tell me mu1 dash is what? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Mu1 dash indicates what?
NP. Okay.
NP, this is the value. But mu1 dash, this letter is used to describe what measurement of random variable.
Discrete random variable.
What?
Discrete.
Mu1 dash is what? If we
Ma'am, discrete random variables.
what? Tell me.
Discrete random variables, ma'am.
Okay, we consider the discrete case. Okay,
Yes.
but remember this one. When we use dash symbol, okay, don't confuse between mu1 dash and mu1. Okay, I want to tell that thing. If we use dash symbol, this indicates what? Only moment. Okay. But if we use only suppose mu1, suppose mu r, then this indicates the central moment. Okay, are you guess the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
If we use the dash symbol, this indicates only what? If we use dash symbol, it indicates what measurement?
Moment.
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 Only moment. And if we
Yes,
use
ma'am.
only use new r, that indicates what?
Central moment.
Central moment. We use new r, this is the central moment, and if we use new r dash, this is the only moment.
Moment.
Okay, if we write suppose subscript as r, then we say that this is the art moment. We are suppose only new r, this is the what? This is the art central moment. If we write suppose 1 in place of r, when we write 1, then this gets what? First moment. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and if we write suppose only new 1, this indicates what? This is the first central moment. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and similarly we can write sorry, this one is mu2. Mu2 dash is what? Second moment. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
similarly mu2 is what? What? mu2 will be what?
Second art moment. Central moment.
Second central moment. Okay, here we use for the binomial case. Okay, I have already discussed about the expectation and variance of binomial distribution. Okay, in case of binomial distribution, mean is what? Mean is, for the binomial distribution, mean is what?
Mm,
For the binomial distribution, mean is NP. For the binomial distribution, mean is NP. Remember
NP.
that. NP. Okay. For binomial distribution, mean
Yes,
is NP and variance is what? NPQ. Okay.
NP. Yes,
But,
ma'am.
but in a Poisson distribution, mean and variance are same. Both are equal. Okay. But in binomial distribution, we use two parameters. These are NP. And NP is what? NP is the mean of binomial distribution. And see that
Mean of binomial distribution.
okay, yeah, mean of binomial distribution is what? NP. And
NP.
variance of binomial distribution is what?
PQ.
NP,
NPQ.
NPQ. Okay, and suppose see the definition. See the definition of moment. See that is the first moment. See that this one is what? Mu r is what? Expectation of x r. If we put r equals to 1, then what we get? This will be expectation of what? X. Okay?
Ma'am.
Are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if we put r equals
Yes,
to
ma'am.
1, if we put r equals to 1, the value will be what? Expectation of x. Okay? Expectation of x. And expectation of x means what? This is the expectation is what? This is the mean. Okay? Expectation is what? Mean. Okay? Expectation of x is mean. So here we write, here see that mu1 dash is what? This is nothing else. This is the expectation of random variable. But here we consider the binomial case, and we all are know that for the binomial distribution, mean is what? NP. So mu1 dash is what? NP. Okay? And mu1 is what? Central moment. Central moment. I have already told you that first the moment and first central moment both are what? Both are same. Okay,
Yes,
first moment and first central moment both are same. If suppose this one is NP, then mu1. Mu1 is what? The first central moment. This will be automatically what? NP. Okay.
okay.
Similarly, second one, see that mu, this one is 2. Subscript is 2. Mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is what? Second moment. Okay. And similarly, mu2 is what? Second central moment. Okay. Mu2
Yes,
dash is what? Mu2 dash is second moment, and mu2 only mu2 is what? Second central moment. Okay, this is the NPQ. And similarly, we can find mu3 dash. Mu3 dash is what? This is the third moment.
moment.
And only mu3 is what?
Third central moment.
Third central moment. Okay, these are the values only for the binomial distribution. Okay, using this value, we can find the first moment for Poisson distribution. Okay, using this value, we can easily find the first four moment of Poisson distribution. Because in case of Poisson distribution is what? This is nothing but this is the limiting case of binomial distribution. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, using this one, we can easily find the first four moment of binomial distribution, and which are described in this example. Suppose this is the question: deduce the first four moments about mean of the Poisson distribution. Okay, see that Poisson distribution is the limiting form of binomial distribution. Limiting form of binomial distribution is what? Where n tends to infinity. That means n is very large, p is very small, p tends to 0. And in the Poisson case, we already discussed that in Poisson distribution we use it consists only one parameter, Okay, but in case of binomial distribution, it consists what? It consists two parameters, which are what? The parameters of binomial distribution is what? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the parameters of binomial distribution are what? I said that there are two parameters for binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution consists only one parameter.
P10.
Okay. Now tell me, for the binomial distribution, the parameters are what? Remember that these are n and p. Okay.
Okay.
I repeated this thing in each classes. Okay. Remember that one. In case of binomial distribution, we use two parameters. Okay. In case of binomial distribution, we use two parameters that are what? N and p. Okay. But
Yes, ma'am.
in case of Poisson distribution, it consists only one parameter. Okay. These are what? This is m. This is the product of n and p. Okay. Remember that these things. These are very important. I repeated this one in each classes because Poisson distribution is the limiting form of binomial distribution. But both are discrete probability distribution. Binomial and Poisson both are discrete probability distribution. But difference is what? In case of Poisson distribution, n is very large. N tends to infinity and p tends to 0. Okay. And in case of binomial distribution, there are two parameters which are n and p. And for the Poisson distribution, it consists only one parameter. It is m. and in some books it is write as lambda. Don't confuse it. The product of NP is write as, in some books it is write as lambda also. Okay. And see that this one for the binomial distribution, mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, and mu4 dash are this one. Okay, these are
Yes,
what? These are the earth moment. Sorry, first, second, third, and fourth moment of binomial distribution. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And these are the first, second, third, and fourth earth moment. Okay, and we are interested to find the central moment also. Okay, and we are interested to find the central moment for Poisson distribution. But we already know that Poisson distribution is when we take the limit